Okay, good morning. Today we're going to be taking a look at Monday the 30th, our first day of online learning. We are going to be attempting to pick up where we left off. We are going to be working on a gizmos. And if you were not here on the last Tuesday that I saw you, you are going to have to enter gizmos. If you click on the link, you are going to have to create an account. It's free. You will need a number. I can't remember what it's called, but if you're in third hour, fourth hour, sixth hour, that's what you will need. This is a link to the conduction video. In Gizmos, it's going to look like this. And there are things that you can do. You can change the type of metal that goes across. This is a lab that we would have done if we would have been in class. But this is kind of the best thing that we can do. So if you want to, you can go through that and it'll talk about the heat transfer. Once you hit play, it'll collect the data in a table. It'll collect it in a bar graph and it'll collect it in a line graph. And as you go, if you need information, you may not be able to get it all from the line graph. You may need to go to the bar graph or to the table. Once you have done this worksheet, this is the worksheet that is linked to it. I recommend that you can print it off if you want, if you don't have it, or you can just type right in it or make a copy and type in it. But once you are done with that, on the bottom of the gizmos, there will be some questions that I want you to answer. Please go through the gizmos before you answer the questions. I had some of you that have already done the questions. I went through and erased them. So for each hour, none of you have a score for your gizmos. So I have gone through and erased all of the scores. And the reason why I did that is this becomes your attendance. So after you've answered those 5 questions, that is your attendance for the day. Tomorrow, there will be a quiz over the layers. I have a purpose game over layers. I have a short video on layers to help you with that. Please do a little review before you start taking a look at doing the quiz. And I'll talk more about the quizzes tomorrow. Thanks.